And residents in the Montana VA's Miles City Community Living Center got their first dose of the Moderna vaccine. And MTN's John Riley caught up with some of the veterans and has their take on the vaccine.
The VA's Community Living Center in Miles City is the only VA nursing home in the state. They care for a number of patients with different conditions, but one common trait is all of their conditions make them more at risk for serious complications from COVID-19.
I have COPD, which is a breathing problem. And so if I did get the virus, I don't think I'd be around very long.
Marine Corps veteran Roland Bannister said he was happy to get his first vaccine dose on Wednesday, along with other residents. Bannister noted the shot made him a little tired, but wasn't bad, especially considering it means the eventual return to some normalcy.
Just being able to jump in my car and go someplace without having to worry about maybe being, getting the virus. Yeah, that's the biggest thing.
A lot of the veterans getting vaccinated indicated they were doing so not only to protect themselves, but out of a sense of duty to protect others.
I can't see why a person wouldn't want to take the vaccine. Anytime you get vaccinated against a disease, all you're doing is taking a precaution against getting sick. And I've had enough injuries and stuff that I can tell you it's not fun recuperating from things. You're not only protecting yourself, you're keeping yourself from getting it and spreading it to other people.
Residents of the VA's Community Living Center in Miles City have been on lockdown since the beginning of the pandemic to protect the vulnerable population. Nurse manager Jennifer Kransky says the veterans in her care have been inspiring examples of exactly what it means to serve your country.
Every time we walk in this door, we have the honor to serve those who served us. And that's the way we have to think about it.
Staff at the VA hope that in the coming months, if people have questions about the vaccine, they reach out to their primary care provider and think of the generations who are most at risk. Reporting in Helena, John Riley, MTN News.
Now taking a look at the state's COVID-19 situation, COVID-19 cases and deaths are back on the rise in Montana. Local and state numbers show 10 more deaths reported since last night, raising the statewide death total to 989.